Moving on, yet another shocking cover-up attempt by the Mumbai police comes to light. While the cops have refused to hand over Sushant's phones to the Enforcement Directorate, Times Now has learned that the Mumbai police sent Sushant's phones to forensics only after 24 days. According to rules, the phone should have been immediately handed over. Let's go across to my colleague Priyank, who's joining us live on the broadcast. Priyank, on one hand are these videos from Jan 2020 when Sushant Singh Rajput was visiting his sister, celebrating his birthday, singing and participating in all these activities. And on the other hand, there are these disclosures being made. The fact that the Mumbai police did not hand over the phones to forensics, and there was a delay of 24 days back then, and even now the Mumbai police continues to refuse to hand over the phones to the Enforcement Directorate.
Yes, Swati, and not even that, the Maharashtra state government's representatives have been also questioning the claim of the family member. And yesterday we saw a shocking statement coming out from Sanjay Raut, who said that the family need to keep their mouth shut. So on one side, they were not doing their duty properly, and even these kind of tampering of evidence allegation has also been put in on them after they have handed over the probe after 24 death of Sushant Singh Rajput. But on the other side, the Maharashtra state police has been very ignorant about the fact that there could be anyone who could have forced Sushant Singh Rajput to commit suicide. That's how the family's allegation was the core basis for which the Bihar police had gone ahead with an FIR of abetment of suicide, and now the case has been handed over to the Central Bureau of Investigation. CBI has not been opening their cards and not coming out clearly that what they are up to and what they have been doing. But on the other side, the Enforcement Directorate right here in the Maladpir office of ED, they have been questioning several individuals. What we have seen around more than 12 people who have been subject to ED's interrogation. Today we saw his Sushant's old accountant and close courtesy member coming up with one more individual, and their statement are being recorded by the Enforcement Directorate. On the other side, we saw two members of ICICI Bank leaving from this office of Enforcement Directorate. Yesterday was very important for the ED as well, Swati, because they managed to take the dump data analysis of one of the very big firm of movie industry, which deals with several clients, and their accounts are being handled by this particular firm, which is on Icon. And their representative, Jayanti Shah, deposed before the ED. Her questioning went for 11 hours, and in this time period, the ED has already taken the dump data analysis of a mobile phone. So several mobile phone data analysis, documents analysis, all these things are going on in this probe by the Enforcement Directorate. But what it appears that CBI is also keeping the investigation a bit slow before they can get some sort of clarity from the Apex Court.
Right, Priyank, stay on with us. We also have some reactions coming in. One from Sushant Singh Rajput's cousin Neeraj Bablu, and the other one from Nalin Kohli of the Bharatiya Janata Party.
जिस तरीके से मामला चल रहा है, एक बहुत बड़ी आवाज़ उठ रही है सीबीआई इंक्वायरी की, क्या कहना है इस पे?
देखिए, हम लोग तो डे वन से कह रहे हैं, स्टार्टिंग से कह रहे हैं, 2 महीना हो गया, पूरा परिवार और पूरे देश के लोग कह रहे हैं कि सीबीआई जांचो, और मुंबई पुलिस बीच बीच में कहती है कि हम जांच कर रहे हैं। तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि वो कौन सा जांच अभी तक कर रहे हैं, जबकि वो FIR नहीं दर्ज किए हैं, किन्हीं का नाम नहीं लाए हैं केस में, किन्हीं पर आरोप नहीं तय किए, तो कोई कौन सा जांच वो कर रहे हैं ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। हम तो बीच में बोले थे कि भाई जहां घटना घटी उस जगह को उन्होंने सील तक नहीं किया, तो वो कौन सा जांच कर रहे हैं समझ में नहीं आ रहा। और दूसरा मामला आ रहा है कि अभी तक वो ED वाले मांग रहे हैं कुछ कागजात, जो चीज़ें मांग रहे हैं वो कुछ उन्हें देने से मना कर रहे हैं, कुछ सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं। जब ED को सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं, खुद जाँच नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो आखिर वो चाहते क्या है? ये पूरा देश भी जानना चाहता है कि क्या चाहते हैं, क्या मामला को ख़त्म करना चाहते हैं। ये मामला ख़त्म होने वाला नहीं है, ये मामला CBI में जाएगा। पूरा देश चाहता है कि CBI जांच करे, और हम लोग चाहते हैं कि CBI जांच हो।
Blocking any investigation is not going to help unearth the truth, and that is exactly what has to be the objective before anyone. Now, if the Enforcement Directorate, as part of its investigation, is seeking the call detail records of Sushant Singh Rajput, it is unfortunate to then know that why the Mumbai police should seek to block that or delay that request. By delaying it, how will the truth get uncovered? Whether anyone is innocent or guilty will be known only after an investigation.
Let's go across to Priyank, who continues to be with us. Clearly, questions now being raised on the delay in handing over the phone to the forensic department, because it's quite possible that key crucial data may have been tampered with.
Very interesting thing which we have seen here, Swati, because we just saw a vehicle which is on that particular vehicle, although everyone is wearing masks these days, so we were not able to capture that who that particular individual were. But in another probe by the Enforcement Directorate, Shilpa Shetty's husband, a vehicle just passed away from here. We don't know exactly that whether this is related to Sushant Singh Rajput case or some other investigation by the Enforcement Directorate. While coming back to your question, Swati, certainly 24 days of delay of time period is very important for anyone to see that why this kind of delay was done by the Mumbai police, because Mumbai police had been previously known for their good investigation, although they have been but whenever it comes to film industry, we have seen that how Mumbai police investigation has been biased, and similar kind of thing we have seen in Jia Khan investigation. Same sort of thing has happened during the Sheena Bora murder case. But what we can see that this particular delay need to be justified by the Mumbai police, but that is also not possible, because since the time we broke that information that Mumbai police DCP was closely talking to one of the key accused, whose name is Riya Chakrabarti in this case, he has gone on forced leave. So there is no senior official from Mumbai police who can come and justify this kind of delay which has been done from their part.
Well, yes, absolutely. In fact, the Mumbai police has not been able to answer most of the questions. The family, right from the start, day one, has been trying to highlight the fact that the investigation is not moving in the right direction. In fact, the family is also alleging that it was under the nose of the Mumbai police that those pages from the diary were torn. They are also alleging that there's some sort of a collusion, and the Mumbai police is trying to protect the accused. That's the allegation being leveled by the family.
Yeah, that has been coming out from the beginning, Swati, because what the country was thinking that Mumbai police angle of nepotism would come to some kind of conclusion. Then we saw a parade of senior Bollywood celebrities at the Bandra police station. But everyone was shocked. In fact, Mumbai police was also shocked when they got to know that the delay from their investigation has led to an FIR in Patna, which was filed on the complaint of father. And in the initial line only, the father had said that I have been waiting since 40 days and nothing was done by the Mumbai police, and I'm a 74-year-old man. Hence, you need to carry out this investigation, because it's very difficult for me to commute from Patna to Mumbai. Later to that, Swati, we have been seeing that the Mumbai police investigation has been questioned at every single aspect. What was the need of a DCP rank officer who was not the IU of the case calling the key accused in this case? What was the need of all these senior officials of Mumbai police coming out in the justification? What the country had been demanding was a first information report, an FIR into this particular issue. But that not being done, it clearly symbolizes that Mumbai police was under pressure from the political class, which suddenly come out in open when Sanjay Raut kind of people started defending Mumbai police and stating that the family members need to keep their mouth shut. So investigation is going on from the central agency side, specifically ED. CBI is not, as I told you, not opening their card. But at the same time, family coming out and giving out old videos of them celebrating with Sushant Singh Rajput just to prove their point to the world that Sushant was close to them. It's very disheartening to see that why the Riya Chakrabarti camp has been circulating video of Priyanka threatening one of the staff member who was alleged of stealing some kind of money or transferring the money to another account and portraying it that Sushant was not close to his sister. We have also managed to access all these diaries of Sushant, Swati, which clearly states that Sushant was close to his family member, and when the family is asking for justice, their image is being tarnished, vague allegations are being put in. But let's see how the central agencies will be coming to which kind of conclusion, whether the family's allegations will be right in the investigation or the claim which has come out from the camp will be substantiated in the investigation.
Right. Priyank, thank you very much for getting us the details. And with that, we're also slipping into a short break. But